So here's what I see. We don't know all the side effects. I've had patients come to me and say, I've taken a novel agent, I'm exhausted 24 hours a day, I can't figure out why. Is that a side effect of the medication? Is it a complication of disease that's progressing? We don't know. We've had patients come to me and say, God, I've developed acne. I haven't had acne even as a teenager, but all of a sudden it's emerged on my back. All right? I've started to have hair thinning. I don't know why. All right? And I'd love to tell you all of these trial side effects have emerged in patients over the course of our clinical trial experience, and the answer is it's not possible. Even though we've enrolled tens of thousands of patients in most of the trials, that still pales in comparison to the populations of patients that are taking these drugs. So I think it's important for the pharmacist not to dismiss side effects and to recognize them, and then see if there's things that they can do in terms of their day-to-day activities that either can attenuate those side effects, or maybe the next step is to stop the agent and move to another agent. So we've also found that sometimes patients that don't tolerate one agent will do very well on another. I also think there's a role for the pharmacist in tailoring these drugs relative to their once-a-day, twice-a-day prescription plan. So you know, as a pharmacist, you know which patients are going to be adherent to regimens. You know more about the patient's lifestyles than the physicians do. I think you become an important ally and making sure patients have the right structures in place for good medication taking behaviors. And I think that's where all of this is going to go in the future.